Welcome to Line Down. I'm Gail Tao with Ames Solder, here to help resolve your production line problems. Today, we're responding to Raj, who writes, "We're having to scrap a lot of boards after wave soldering because the solder mask keeps delaminating and crazing. Why is this happening and what can we do about it?" Thanks for reaching out, Raj. If you're noticing the solder mask peeling and crazing, you might be wondering if the problem is the solder, the flux, the process, or the board. While any of these may be the culprit, more often than not, this problem can be traced back to the board, namely improper PCB surface preparation before the mask was applied or inadequate solder mask curing. Luckily, there are a few simple tests you can perform to narrow down the cause before bringing it up with your board manufacturer. To see if the issue is solder mask adhesion, get a 2-inch piece of transparent adhesive tape, preferably 3M brand, and press it onto the board. Then pull the tape up quickly at a 90-degree angle. If the mask comes off, then it is an adhesion problem. You can further verify this by examining the copper underneath. It should have a matte finish and not be shiny if the copper was properly cleaned and roughed before mask application. To check if the issue is the result of improper mask curing, you can try a few different things. First, take a sharpened number 2 pencil and press it on the mask at a 45-degree angle. If the mask lifts or gouges, it isn't sufficiently hard. This may be the result of improper curing or insufficient hardener added to the mask. You can also check for cure by using solder mask check wipes made by a company called BLT Circuit Services. Simply rub a wipe on the area in question for 10 to 15 seconds, and if there's a color change, this indicates it was undercured. Finally, you can try baking the PCB in a 160 Celsius oven for 30 minutes before running your process to see if this resolves the issue. If it does, then the mask was undercured and the time in the oven finished the curing process. If these simple tests help you identify the issue, then your next step is to consult with your PCB supplier. If not, then feel free to contact Ames Solder's technical support team for more troubleshooting help. Until next time.